So temporary, well not temporary but underneath, so we'll just box that off. That's the window edge. Window frame boxed off. Fucked up here a bit, but I'm going to get some 5mm ply over the top all the way around and put an edge in all the way around it. Right, diesel heater installed. I need to run a wire down under the floor, but let's have a quick look. See if we can get it in the video for you. So, exhaust is on 2 suspended metal tie wraps for the flex, so it doesn't snap. But it's solid, it's not going anywhere. I might as well get wet now because I'm done. Right, so I'll zoom out a bit. But so exhaust, yeah, comes down to it, pointing down, out. Air filter, I've tucked it just over there, so it's there, so it's not getting fucking sprayed by back at the wheel, you know what I mean? Fuel pump has to be on a 45-degree angle. I'd say that we're 45 degree. I've suspended it on a tie wrap so that's not touching because that clicks and it fucking pisses me off. Then I got round here with the fuel line running to the front, realised I could actually clip in. So, one sec, I'm going to pause. Right, so I'll get back under. Let's see if I can get under. Oh fuck no. Wow. Fuel tank, so I don't want to be that far up. What I'm saying is, can we get a torch? Back to low to use torch, fuck off. See how it's clipped in? Clipped in. It literally clips in wiring loom all the way up to the front. And then obviously for when we drop the fuel tank, pipes here ready to pipe it up. So that's that done. Yeah.